Hey guys, we're back today at SSP. We're working on this 2002 Outback. I'm showing you guys how to take the grill off. This is going to be the same from 2000 to 2004. It's all the same. You need a number 10 and a number 8. That's all it's required. This thing should come off pretty easy. My 10's right here. There's 110 in the middle right here. Let me show you guys. Just 110 right in the middle. This guy's got a little arch to it. That needs to come out. And then there's a bunch of 8s that hold it up on the back side. There's one here. 2 here. There's a bunch of these 8s that gotta come out. Get these guys out. And literally, it should take you no more than 2 minutes to get this thing off and on. Look at that. So, we go recap some of the stuff. So, there's these 8s that go right here. Just one here, one here. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number 8s, and then there's one number 10 right here. Don't forget that. Take those off and the grill will come off. And then, you know, you could put a new one of these on. Same way it goes back on. Just slide it back on and just tighten these 8s. Just make sure you don't over tighten these going back on because you will break it. Don't use a gun. Hand tighten them and then give it a little snudge with the wrench. It's easy as that. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe.